Alrighty guys, so I am currently on the docks to be boarded onto the ferry to go to the South Island. I'm very excited, I'm very keen. People are starting to move now, so we're not far off. I'll probably be moving in the next minute. So I should arrive in Picton around about 1 PM. I will see you guys very shortly. I'm excited. I hope the trip is smooth. That's the ferry. I'm boarding. So this ferry trip took about 3.5 hours to get from Wellington to Picton. It's very cruisy. If you get motion sickness, I recommend staying on the outside decks for fresh air. It's better. So yes, this was my breakfast, a good old coffee and a pie. These were the views leaving Wellington. It was gorgeous. Fucking fight for my life on the deck though, Jesus Christ, it was windy. Alrighty, so this is the South Island coming into view. Lots of amazing photo opportunities here, and the water is just so damn blue. Just look at that! Gorgeous, stunning! So that is Picton in view. We weren't far off from arriving. Tell me why I feel like this is a scene from the movie 2012. So arrived in Picton, went for a little look around at the shops, went to the waterfront. Your girl was feeling peckish, so she went to the famous Toasty Lords. Num num, yum yum. I don't know what it is with animals on this trip, just like coming at me whenever I have fucking food. Like I had a cat, we've had seagulls, I've had the little finch looking birds, I've had these fucking ducks. This bitch wouldn't leave me the fuck alone until I ate the whole damn thing, and I had to rush to eat that. Cute, but no. Just no, it's a bit rude. Where's your table manners, bitch? She's trying to peek. Alrighty peeps, so I have arrived in Picton, and I must say it's very pretty here. It is stunning. Like the views you get is just stunning. Like you look up a street, there's mountains. You look down the other street, there's a waterfront, and the views there are just gorgeous. As you guys can tell, it was. When I come back here, I'm going to be staying here for a few nights, no doubt, 100%. And then I went to Toasty Lords, got myself a ham and pineapple and cheese toasty. Very simple, but holy fuck, it was good. I don't know what they do those damn toasties, but that was the best damn toasty I'd ever fucking tasted. And then I topped it off with a banana and caramel shake. And I devoured that fucking toasty, but I kind of had to because of those fucking ducks. It was cute. Like I had a lot of people walk past and go, "Oh, that's so cute. They're so comfortable." And I'm like, they only want one thing, and that's why they're cute. So yeah, that was funny. But it was really, really good to have lunch here and just settle before I go to Kalkura. I think that's how I say it. Probably saying that wrong. About 2-hour drive from Picton. So pretty simple in comparison to the last 2 days where it's like fucking 18, 19 hours. Yeah, probably longer than that over the last 3 days. But yeah, so I'm heading there now, and I should set up camp around about 5:30. Probably more 5:30. Have a shower and settle in for the night, and then tomorrow I'll update you guys. Then I arrived at the Kalkura Kiwi camp for the night. I settled in, cooked myself some dinner, tried to roast some potatoes and carrot. I think I burnt it a little bit, but look, those are the mountains just surrounding the area. It was gorgeous, and that was all for day 14.